Greetings, this is Dr. Hebbar. Today's question is Chyawanprash really effective in cold and cough? The detailed question is Chyawanprash best as a preventive measure in cases of upper respiratory tract infections, but during an episode of respiratory tract disorders like asthma, cold, cough, etc., would it not be too heavy to digest due to its rasayana qualities? I was taught that it should not be taken in ama conditions because it needs good agni or digestive strength, which would be low if you are suffering from upper respiratory tract infections. Also, I tend to get a post-nasal drip when I have Chyawanprash. Is this due to its sweet, sour or heavy qualities, or is it due to already vitiated Tarpaka kapha? The answer is Chyawanprash is not heavy to digest, though it contains oils, ghee, etc., which are slightly difficult to digest. The hot potency of the herbs and spices like long pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, etc., make it easily digestible. Herbs like Brihati, Solanum indicum, Kantakari, yellow-berried nightshade, Pushkara mula, Inla racemosa, Sheti, Zeodari, Vasa, Adatoda vasaika. All these ingredients of Chyawanprash are very powerful herbs for respiratory tract disorders like cold, cough, etc. Master Charaka, who has explained Chyawanprash in his Rasayana chapter, also enlists its usage in diseases like Kasa, which can be grossly correlated to upper respiratory tract infections. Here is the complete list of disease indications for Chyawanprash. Chyawanprash is indicated in cold, cough, asthma, chest injuries, voice problems, chest disorders, cardiac disorders, gout, excessive thirst, urinary tract disorders, semen or sperm anomalies. So hence, Chyawanprash can be confidently administered in cases of upper respiratory tract infections. The postnasal drip that you experience with Chyawanprash might be due to kapha liquefying, a stage just before kapha is pacified or expelled out of the body. This can be compared to liquefaction of kapha during spring season, Vasanta Ratu. During winter or Shishira Ratu, due to excessive coldness, kapha gets chaya, increase in its own place. It solidifies and stays in its own place. But during spring season, due to increase in temperature, kapha liquefies and moves to other places. So take Chyawanprash 30 minutes before breakfast with half a cup of milk. Another factor is Chyawanprash, when it is perfectly made, is slightly sour in taste, but manufacturing companies moderate it to give sweet taste. So try a different brand of Chyawanprash. This should settle the issue. However, consulting an Ayurveda doctor directly is always the best option. Thanks for liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about Ayurveda. You can find the transcription of this video in the video description segment below the like button. See you in the next one. Namaste.